See the sound? Can hear the sound of the clipper. Very calm. But the calmness does not determine that it will cut. You just have to test it on here. But from the way it sounds really quick. Just trying to align the two teeth of the blade. So this is the Kiki blade, right? That's the 808 blade, right? So let's see how this blade is cutting. So what can you say to this? Can you hear the sound? Very cool. You see how it's shaving, right? Let's go to this other side. Let's go here where there is still hair. See, right? So when I tell you guys that Salon Affairs sharpening stone is working, you don't need to doubt it. The thing is that you guys have not been using it properly, right? So you complain because you've not been doing the right thing. So just touch it a little. You see?
Gostar tambah. Apa naik mundur?
See how this blade is cutting, right? So this is me, right? Rosa, bring it to this other side.
Get time. Agora eu estou cuidando com a carne. Estou cuidando que tem uma peça.
Now see. So this stuff is working, bro. What you guys need to do now is just have to go come for the basic knowledge, right? Let's teach you what you need to know so you can have a smooth, finish at the end of the day. See how the blade is cutting. See how the blade is cutting, right? Thank you for this.